Hello and welcome. This is Ndeli from Daily Tech again. On this video I want to show us really quick how we can use FileZilla. FileZilla is a file transfer tool that you can use to transfer documents or files or folders from your physical computer or from your local workstation and upload them to a server or send documents to other computers. So right here on my screen, on the left hand I have a FileZilla open, and on my right hand is my Linux server running on my virtual machine. So here on the left hand we have the FileZilla open. It has two panels. On the left panel is my local, it shows here local site, which is my local machine, and on the right it shows a remote site, which is the remote machine you want to transfer files to or you want to receive files from. It can be or maybe a server. Shows here not connected or to any server. That's because I've not yet connected to my server. So right up here we have the host name, username, or password, or port number. So we're gonna enter all of these credentials to be able to connect to my server. So I'm gonna open the terminal window on my server here. So I'm gonna get the host name or the pass here. In the place of the host name, you can either use the host name or the IP address. So I'm gonna use the IP address. But to get a host name, you just type on your server gonna have host name. So that's the host name of my machine or my server, which is not2.domain. Or to get the IP address, if config, to get the IP address, that is this IP address. So I'm going to use the IP address rather than the host name. You can use either of them. So I'm going to paste it right here. That's for my server. Okay, it's going to be 192.168.0.40. and I'm gonna enter the username. The username here is the user which I use to log into my server, which the username here is Oracle, and the password of the user, enter the password, and the port number. I have the FileZilla uses the default port number of 22, so we're gonna use that 22. So we have all our credentials filled up, so we're gonna connect. When we hit connect, the contents of our server will appear here, will be connected to our server. So watch that. Boom. So we are connected now to the server. So so on my computer I created a folder here to upload. In the folder I created a file to upload. So the file has some content. You can see that in my file explorer here. So this is a folder I created. In the folder I have this file, and in the file, if you want the file to go, you have to open that folder. So I'm gonna open this document folder because that's where I want my file to be uploaded into my server. So I'm gonna double click that. So this is the content of my document. So there's no document there, so I'm gonna send this file into this folder. So I'm gonna click on that and then take right click and then you upload. Boom, right there. So the file has been uploaded to the server. So to verify that, I go now on my server. I can go on my server. Let me clear the screen here, and pwd. So I'm gonna list content. So it should be in my document. So I'm gonna seed into so I'm gonna do list there. So this is my file right here. It has been uploaded to my server. So I can read the content of the file file. So that is the content of my file right there, as it is on my file explorer file using FileZilla from your computer or to the server. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye bye.